welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Shikha Singh. Spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US saw continued inflows for 10 consecutive days, marking the longest streak since December. On Thursday, Bitcoin ETFs had a total net inflow of $89 million, with Fidelity's FBTC driving the majority of the inflows. Despite this, the overall inflows during this period have been relatively modest, and Bitcoin ETFs are experiencing demand, reflecting investor interest in Bitcoin exposure. Though the wider market remains affected by volatility, partly due to geopolitical factors like US tariffs. In contrast, Ethereum ETFs have seen consistent outflows since February, signaling weaker investor confidence in Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. As of now, Bitcoin's price is down 1.5% to $86,024, while Ethereum dropped 4.7%. Hashkey Group, in partnership with Bosera Asset Management, is set to launch the world's first tokenized money market ETF next month. The two tokenized ETFs will be based on the Bosera HKD Money Market ETF and Bosera USD Money Market ETF, with approval from the Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission. This initiative is a part of the Hong Kong Monetary Authority's Project Ensemble to explore tokenization of real-world assets. The tokenized ETFs will be distributed through Hashkey Exchange, offering DeFi investors and new opportunities for exposure to money market instruments and helping balance yields to reduce market risk. CoreWeave, an AI hyperscaler based in New Jersey, raised $1.5 billion in its initial public offering, falling short of its target. The company sold 37.5 million shares at $40 each, lower than its initial plan to offer 49 million shares at $47 to $55. CoreWeave's valuation is now around $23 billion, down from its earlier $35 billion target. The reduced target came amid increased market volatility, and Nvidia, an existing investor, purchased $250 million worth of shares in the IPO. CoreWeave's shares are set to begin trading on Nasdaq under the ticker CRWE. Originally focused on crypto mining, the company pivoted to AI after Ethereum's switch to proof of stake in 2022. The C Foundation behind the C blockchain is exploring the acquisition of bankrupt personal genomics company 23andMe. The foundation aims to put the genetic data of 15 million users on the blockchain, giving them ownership and control over their data. This move is a part of C's broader push into decentralized science. Following 23andMe's Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing, the foundation plans to integrate the company's data onto the C blockchain, ensuring privacy through encryption and allowing users to control how their data is monetized. Terraform Labs is launching a crypto loss claims portal for creditors impacted by the Terra USD collapse and the company's bankruptcy. The portal is managed by Kroll Restructuring Administration, and it opens at March 31st, 2025 with a claim deadline of April 30th, 2025. Creditors must register and submit claims electronically with proof of ownership. Claims for assets on Terra or supported networks can be made via a free transaction, while other platforms require API keys or manual documentation. Assets with on-chain liquidity under $100 and holdings like Luna 2.0 are ineligible. Claims with manual evidence may face delays or rejection if preferred evidence is available. The plan administrator will assess claims and issue determinations within 90 days, and Terraform Labs is winding down under bankruptcy a $4.47 billion SEC settlement related to $40 billion in investor losses. Co-founder DogeCoin's assets, including PIT tokens, will help settle the penalties. South Carolina has dismissed its lawsuit against Coinbase over its staking services following a joint stipulation between the state and Coinbase's legal team on March 27, 2025. The lawsuit accused Coinbase of offering unregistered securities, but it was dismissed with Coinbase's legal officer calling it a victory for American consumers. South Carolina and Vermont were two of the 10 states that had filed legal action against Coinbase on June 6, 2023, alongside a federal lawsuit from the SEC, which was dismissed in February 2025. The bill aims to establish a Bitcoin reserve in South Carolina, setting a high ceiling of up to 1 million Bitcoins. This is a part of a broader trend with 42 Bitcoin reserve bills introduced in 19 states. Additionally, President Donald Trump signed an executive order to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve and digital asset stockpile using fortified cryptocurrencies. French state-owned investment bank BPI France has announced a new €23 million fund to invest directly in locally issued unlisted crypto assets, focusing on small emerging tokens developed by French teams. This initiative is a part of BPI France's efforts to accelerate the growth of blockchain technology and digital assets in France. Over the past decade, BPI France has invested over €150 million in the crypto sector, supporting about 200 blockchain startups. BPI France aims to continue its investment strategy, doubling its efforts by 2029 with a focus on equity investments and tokens. The new fund will target smaller tokens before they are listed on exchanges, rather than large cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. This move is seen as an attempt to foster France's crypto ecosystem and keep local companies from relocating to crypto-friendly regions like the US. The Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, also known as DTCC, has joined Chainlink Labs by becoming a member of the ERC 3643 Association in March 2025. This partnership aims to advance tokenization standards in the financial industry, with the DTCC processing an average of 2.4 quadrillion in securities annually. The collaboration will enhance the management and issuance of permission tokens and improve risk management and compliance in digital asset markets. The ERC 3643 standard has been integrated into DTCC's platform, impacting assets worth over $28 billion across 180 jurisdictions. Crypto.com has successfully closed its SEC investigation with no legal action taken. CEO Chris Maslick shared on March 27th that despite regulators' efforts to hinder the exchange, including restrictions on banking and investors, Crypto.com emerged stronger. This marks a significant win for the company and the broader crypto industry amid a challenging regulatory environment. The SEC's shift in approach with the investigation's closure signals a potential change in regulatory attitudes toward the crypto sector. Furthermore, Crypto.com CLO Nick Lundgren also criticized the previous SEC administration for overstepping its authority. XRP's market capitalization took a significant hit on March 28th, losing over $7 billion in just 24 hours, dropping from $137 billion to $129.81 billion. This decline wiped out all of XRP's weekly gains. The broader crypto market also experienced a downturn, contributing to XRP's sharp drop in value. The token's price fell from $2.37 to $2.22, a 6% decrease. If support levels don't hold, XRP could potentially drop further. On a more positive note, if XRP's price exceeds $3, it could signal a bullish outlook, though this remains uncertain following the recent price decline. Well, that's all in today's special segment. We will keep you updated with more such interesting updates. Until then, keep watching 3.0 TV. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do log on to the website at www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more.